Good morning, students. Now I'm going to start first chapter, the Constitution and need for laws. Constitution is the part of any laws. Our Constitution is a document that provides the guiding framework to function as democratic nation. The Constitution definition of these laws may be it means that important of law. This law may be written or unwritten. It consists of fundamental principles according to which a nation and state is governed. Importance of our constitution. The constitution is very important for a nation, but it has more importance in a democratic of government because of the following reason. The first is lays down certain principles that helps in the decision making of the country. Second point, provides laws for protecting to get right to equality without being discriminated. Our constitution also guarantees certain fundamental rights to the citizens in order to protect them against any injustice by the government. Next is why is necessary for laws. Need for laws. Laws are instruction which tell you what you are allowed to do and what you are not allowed to do in a particular place or situation. Right from the basic unit of society and other family to all other units, laws are necessary. Further discussion on Dowry system will enable you to understand the need and role of law. The first topic is Dowry system. The term dowry means wealth or gift given to a daughter at the time of her marriage. This system is very common in our country. The dowry, unfortunately, dowry has become a social problem leading to suicide and bride burning. The Dowry Prohibition Act was passed in 1961 to prohibit the demanding, giving and taking of dowry. Dowry, as described by the Dowry Prohibition Act, is the demand for property by the groom's relatives from the bride's parents. An amendment was made to the Act of 1961 in 1981, which made payment or acceptance of dowry a punishable offence.